Welcome you all. Today we are here with another phrasal verb, and that is back out. Back out, which means withdraw from a commitment or promise. When we break our promise, or someone who breaks his promise or breaks his commitment, we could say back out. वादे से फिरना, वादे की पासदारी न करना, हम इसको उर्दू में कह सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like we should never back out of our promise. So we have used here back out. Or for example, you agreed to come, you can't back out now. So once again, we have used here back out. So this is how we are going to use this phrasal verb back out.